These places belong to all of us, not in the way we own them, but in the way they shape us. Our national parks are more than protected lands. They're sacred invitations to return, to remember, to reconnect. There's something about high granite and open sky, where the world widens and you remember you're part of it. Not apart, not above, just part. This is where it begins, with breath and stillness and stone. Water moves even when the world is frozen. It reminds us that flow doesn't always mean speed. It's about direction and quiet resilience. Sometimes clarity shows up in unexpected places. A puddle becomes a mirror, and for a moment, you see yourself steady and clear. We chase peaks, but peace often awaits in the meadow, in the soft bend of a trail, in the hush between footsteps, in places that don't ask to be conquered, only noticed. Look up. Look up. The trees don't rush to grow tall. They just stand, rooted and reaching. There's power in presence. There's strength in simply being. And then the forest exhales, a whisper of snow, a letting go, softness falling from giants. This is the space between. The world doesn't always speak in thunder. Sometimes it invites you in with a meadow and a breeze. No agenda, just aliveness. Here, time slows. The river teaches us how to listen again, to the hush, to the heart, to the world as it is. I've wandered these roads with loved ones, with family and friends who feel like family. Shared laughter, still mornings, and a deep knowing that these are the days we'll carry long after the trip ends. The trail continues in us. We are the stewards of these wonders, not just for ourselves, but for those who will walk these trails after us. So wander well, leave light footprints, and pass the awe forward.
Cedar Grove, Kings Canyon is where we hit the trail. Loaded to the max for the start of another tale. Well, we headed up to paradise in just a single day. This falls is very spiritual, it's a majestic way.